Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Alabama sales tax. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.venue.alabama.gov. Once you do this, you will end up in this page. So simply tap on My Alabama Taxes, or you can tap on My DMV. Once you tap on it, you will end up in this kind of interface where you simply tap on click here to start over, and you will end up in this page where you need to tap on partner logon. After you do this, you will be redirected to this interface where you need to simply tap on your username, your password of your account, and when you are all done, all you need to do now is simply tap on the login option. Once you do this, you'll get logged in into your account. However, if you don't remember your username or password, tap on forgot username or password as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.